get more in the middle. Now there's two curves. Here we go.
I'm gonna get over the center lane
Here we go. Yeah, that's what we want.
here. No, Shirley. No.
Yeah, don't give it a lot of gas.
Come on, car. Be good. Be good.
What are you looking at? Look at you too.
What they do?
Just staring.
Well, they got four-wheel drive probably. I don't.
Is that Jeep got four-wheel drive?
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
yours?
Huh?
Yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, imagine it does.
Yeah, you can drive it whenever.
Ryan had one like older than that. A long time ago.
What's this guy doing behind us?
His four-wheel drive worked on his, so. Oh yeah, there goes the salt truck.
Of course.